Hello everyone, today I will be sharing my way of cleaning fruits and vegetables during this COVID-19 pandemic. So let's get started. Neither FDA nor the CDC recommends using detergents and soaps of any kind to wash your fruits and vegetables. So I preferred using salt and lemon. For that I have taken big container with warm water. Into that I am adding lots of salt along with the lemon juice. Instead of lemon, you can also use vinegar. Now one by one I will be adding my vegetables into this water. You need to soak the vegetables into this mixture for at least 15 to 20 minutes. In between, tap them down if they are floating. I will be repeating same process for my remaining vegetables. We cannot soak leafy vegetables into water for longer time as they will start decaying early. So I just dip them in and out into salt and lemon water for 2-3 times. After that, giving a quick wash under running water and allowing them to dry completely before storing in the refrigerator. For the things like onions, potato, garlic, coconut, it's better to plan ahead so that we can keep them untouched for 2-3 days and use them after a quick wash. For the things like glass and plastic containers, I'm using alcohol or disinfecting wipes to clean. Sometimes I just drop them into soapy water to save the alcohol. You can use any one of the methods if the packages are sealed. It's even better to transfer the contents into a different container and discard the original packaging. Do remember to disinfect your hands and counter surface after that. After 20 minutes of soaking, wash your fruits and vegetables under running water. Vegetables with hard surfaces can be scrubbed using scrubber or brush. Scrubbing under running water is the best approach. And at the end, wash your hands using soap for at least 20 seconds. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.